My personal car is R32 Skyline GT-R, which is 1989, and I already tuned 600 horsepower. But at the beginning, 280 horsepower of the car, and 1 year I didn't tune anything because I want to discuss about this car directly. And I understood about car behavior or car movement, and step by step I tuned. Now, my turn to give for the audience. I would like to show about the big dream by GT-R. I saw about so many sports car or even supercar world, but actually some of the reference type of the vehicle is important for the solution idea. The fundamental spiritual point we have to keep about our DNA. Let's say standalone concept. Engines are built by Takumi, which is a Nissan one of the other DNA. An important thing is handmade build is very important control for the high quality. And that's why for engine is the starting point, we install also such a kind of so many idea to handmade. Like underfloor of the carbon fiber. Also, this is sometimes some part as a hand build. That's very important for the customer value, we believe. We install about for body construction. It's not only keyword strong. It's some flexible or sometimes bending or even shaking, and even absorbing about some vibration. It's like a body damping effective like that. This kind of body construction, then install about for nice technology plus some computer system, a nice final product of the reach point. These combination balance, total balance management is very important for GT-R. As I said, the DNA to keep about something and to introduction for the current status of as much as possible nice technology or nice solution name into the GT-R or trial by GT-R is very important. That is our lifestyle and our life work.